Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun and exciting makeup tutorial to share with you, and this is a kit that is available to buy at Walmart right now in the holiday section. It's the W7 Flawless Fantasy gift set, and it comes with an Influence eyeshadow palette and an eyeliner, lip liner, and a lipstick, all for $10. So I'm going to be sharing this look with you guys today using the products and of course some other products thrown in. Let's get started. I'm taking the Eyeshadow Studio Shadow Stay Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids, and I'm using the I Heart Revolution Peach Scented Setting Powder under the eyes to catch fallout because there is fallout. I am using the W7 Influence eyeshadow palette, and the first shade I'm picking up is that beautiful peachy orange shade over in the second row, final eyeshadow in that row. And this palette does come with a double-sided or double-ended brush, so a fluffy blending brush side and a flat shader side, which is really nice. The brush works fantastic. This is perfect for placing shadow in the crease and in your transition area and blending that all the way up to the brow. And I go over that a couple times to build it up. The shades build nicely. And I'm taking this beautiful kind of burgundy shade in the palette, and I'm going to show you that I'm picking this up on the side of the blending brush so I can press that into the outer corner and build that up. So I'm just pressing it, and pressing it up against the orbital bone as well to give my eye some more definition and deepen up the look. And I think these eyeshadows blend really nicely together, very quick and easy, and I've had no issues with this palette whatsoever, except for this lid shade. I didn't realize at the time, but it's actually a creamy shade, and this is like a shimmery orange shade, and it's beautiful, and it's like a creamy consistency. And throughout the day I did have a little bit of creasing, but nothing terrible. It is absolutely stunningly gorgeous shade, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend all the shades together. And even with it being a creamy consistency, it's really pigmented and it blends well with the others. Now I'm taking this NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin to highlight my brow because there isn't a definite brow shade in the palette. There is one, but it's a little dark for my skin tone. So I'm just using my own, just a nude shade, or vanilla shade, bone shade, whatever you want to call it. And you could use a pressed powder for this even. So I'm going to go ahead and blend the crease shade with the brow bone highlight that I placed down. And once again, all the shades blend seamlessly. I'm taking the orange shade that I placed in the crease in the beginning on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to be taking this beautiful shimmery glittery champagne shade in the palette, and I'm going to place this in my inner corner. This does have a bit of glittery fallout. Some of these shades do have quite a bit of fallout. They do have chunky glitter in them, but overall the palette was fantastic. This is the eyeliner. It's the W7 King Kohl eyeliner, and I used that in my upper waterline, and now I'm using a nude eyeliner for my lower waterline. And then I'm using the Eyeshadow Studio Lash Adhesive and the Ione Carmen lashes. These lashes have beautiful rhinestones on them and are perfect for the holiday season. They are gorgeous, and I love how spiky they are and long. And once I have those applied, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara to mesh my real lashes with my false lashes so they appear seamless. And for lips, I'm using the W7 Lip Twister Lip Liner, and I think this is a really neat kit because you get the eyeliner, lipstick, lip liner, and the palette. And this is the lipstick Naked Desire that came with it. It's such a really beautiful pinky nude shade. Beautiful shade. I actually love how it looks. It's so pretty. And the black eyeliner, here's a quick swatch of that, and it is very black in the swatch, but it is a little lighter in the waterline. It did fade over time during the day, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, found the video helpful. We'll try the look out for yourselves. Maybe even go pick up the W7 Flawless Fantasy gift set up for yourself. Stay tuned for more makeup looks using this palette. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links as well as a product list.